Good morning, class family. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. September 17th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn about letters and sounds. Next, we will read a text and learn about characters in a story. Then, we will segment compound words. After that, we will review the letters C and O. Last, we will do literacy centers. Love Miss Joyner. All right, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain understands the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. I noticed the month is spelled with the capital letter S, then EPT, period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said September, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter S to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, we're going to continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. September 17th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, and it's a wonderful Wednesday. Notice the capital letter T that starts that sentence and the period at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every single day. Working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And each day at school, we're working hard, learning how to be a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening. Mouth is silent when someone is speaking. Body is still and in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, readers, we're going to go through the transitional words and phrases that good readers and writers use when putting the events of a story in order from beginning to end. Are you ready, readers? Okay, say the words together. First, next, then, after that, last. First, we will learn about letters and sounds. Oh, we will. We're going to use so many resources, just like we do every single day at school. Shout out to Benchmark Advance. We'll be using your alphabet chart to review letters, sounds, picture match that letter, and American Sign Language, starting with A, apple, all the way down to Z, zipper. In addition to that, we have YouTube channels that we use throughout the day. Jack Hartman's, Mr. B's, The Singing Walrus, The Learning Station, and Hopscotch. And some special subscriptions. I already mentioned Benchmark Advance. We also have Brain Pop Junior, Mayan, and we have everything organized on Schoology and Clever. My goodness, we are grateful for the online resources in addition to the hands-on materials and teachers to help us pump our brains with knowledge as we're learning many things today at school in kindergarten. Next, we'll read a text and learn about characters in a story. We're going to be reading a text. We're going to learn about characters in a story. And we are going to be also getting a chance to do syllable segmentation to review. We're going to tap it and hop it to find out each of the syllables within this. We'll do that as well as reading the text and talking about the characters. And then we will segment compound words. We will. And remember, a compound word is two words smushed together to make one. For example, dun 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 dun. Rain plus bow is a rainbow. Cup plus cake is cupcake. Hair plus brush is hairbrush. Snow plus flake is snowflake. Motor plus cycle is motorcycle. And butter plus fly is butterfly. We'll go ahead and we'll segment compound words. We have some other examples that we will be doing and practicing that today in school in kindergarten. After that, we'll review the letters C and O. We're going to be doing a sort of objects that start with the letter C, like seek and O, ah. We're going to go ahead and do a sort and determine, does it start with the letter C or does it start with the letter O? We're also going to be using the 5 pre-writing strokes all day long. We have up and around, touch, pull down, touch, push over, slant right, slant left. Last, we will do literacy centers. You'll go on your iPad for Lexia Core 5 reading program. We also have the library station. Remember, when you're in groups, when a teacher calls your name, to listen the first time and then go to that teacher. And we're going to have a fantastic day today. You'll be a great communicator all day long. All right, get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question or our T-chart of yes or no answers is, do you like dinosaurs? Do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share your reason why. Do you like dinosaurs?